Hey guys, Luckside here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Again, if you haven't, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So I'm kind of giggling to myself because I had to share this article with you guys. So South Korean toilet turns poop into cryptocurrency. So I will say that the space of crypto is ever changing and expanding, right? But this is an absolute first. So there's a video in here, you gotta watch it, but it's actually super smart. So the Ulsan National Institute of Science and Technology, Cho Jiwan, is an urban and environmental engineering professor. He cooked up an eco-friendly toilet, but not only that, Cho Lu is connected to a lab that uses poop to produce biogas and fertilizer. So this toilet that he created, I don't really want to get too much into how it works, but so it doesn't use a lot of water. It uses vacuum pump to suck away your deposit, okay? And it turns it into breaks down the poop into methane gas, okay? And so far it has been used to power gas stove, heat water, and it powers a solid oxide fuel cell. So apparently if a person deposits around 500 grams of the good stuff daily, it results in about 50 liters of methane gas through this thing that they have. And that'll actually power a car for almost a mile, which is kind of incredible, actually, in a densely populated city. So I thought this was worth mentioning and bringing up because, yeah, the wait, I didn't even get into the tokenomics yet. So he created a crypto called G-Ghoul. It translates as honey to entice people to poop, where it will be put to good use. Every person who donates a poop in the special throne earns 10 G-Ghoul. So already G-Ghoul can be used to buy stuff. Students at the university can buy things like coffee, noodles, and books on campus. And what's really cool actually is if you watch the video, it says that the 10 G-Ghoul actually comes out to about $3. So you can actually get paid $3 just to do your business. So good for you if you do it a lot in a day. But this is actually like really innovative. Kind of like it says. So the more people that deposit in your toilet, the more energy you will have, and public spaces like gyms and restaurants will do well to convince humans to come and spend time in their smallest rooms in the building. So, like I said, the world of crypto is ever evolving, and this is definitely a first for me, but it's going to be amazing to see what things turn into, I guess. But don't take my word for it. Definitely check this out. See what you guys think, and let's keep innovating, I guess. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, smash that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.